Next.
Take.
A.
Take. Blame.
Very good.
Flake.
A.
Flake.
Oh, very good. Next.
Steak.
What's the letter? The next letter after S. K. Skate. Again.
Skate.
Next.
Skate. Mommy, may pass.
Yes. K.
Cake.
Very good. Next.
Main.
Very good.
Tail.
Next.
Break.
Sound.
Brace. Flame. Shake.
Very good. Next. First time magbasa.
Case.
Oy, galing. Tingnan mo. Sabi ko sa'yo kapag makinig ka kay mami, malalaman mo
Haste.
Letter T yun, anak. Again. Hey.
Haste.
T. Letter T.
Haste.
Hate. Again.
Hate. Maze.
Ang galing.
Maze.
Next.
Mason. Tape.
Ang galing. Galing. Next.
What?
Pace. Again.
Space.
Next.
Kunak no space. The earth. No space. Nagatuti space na. Cave.
Uy, galing. Uy, thank you. Wow, i-practice ulit natin yan ha. Pang second reading natin bukas ng gabi ha, anak ha?
Okay.